All right, day one. This is gonna be a really fun bathroom remodel. We're gonna change the footprint, relocate the toilet drain, delete a shower walk-in, remove a tub, build a beautiful big walk-in. Let's show you the existing bathroom and shower. Now our clients are in there right now having breakfast, so I'm not gonna do a lot of talking, just show you the area, point out what we're going to do, what we're gonna remove, and what we're gonna replace that with. Let's check it out, guys. So here's the garage. We've got the little dump trailer taking over this section over here. Our client has everything ready to go. We love it. Vanity vent fan, valve trim kit, lighting, tile. We've got some beautiful wavy ceramic wall tile, river rock for the shower pan. Let's go take a look. Okay, let me close the door here. So we have this walk-in shower that we are deleting, ripping it out, capping off the valve. We're going to install drywall, corner bead, texture match. This is going to be storage with cabinets installed. We're gonna rip the floor out, rip this big, large, ugly vanity out, install a much smaller vanity, relocate the toilet over about 6 inches so that we can build out our shower to about 36 inches in width. Delete this tub, tile to the ceiling, new LED lights are gonna go up, new vent fan's going to be installed, paint, the whole shebang. Full bathroom remodel. It's time for some demo. Let's get a good workout here. First thing Monday morning, let's go. Okay, demo complete. This area is all torn out. This is going to be a closet area with shelving units. We're going to put bifold doors in here, cut cap, drain, and the mixing valve. We're going to keep the floor here. It's much easier to clean and sweep with versus a concrete slab. Vanity will stop about right here. We're going to do a lot of slab work today, guys. Slab work, slab work. We're going to relocate shower drain to center, and we're going to move over toilet drain about 16 inches to the right next to the vanity for the toilet paper dispenser. So we have our chipper, very large Makita breaker. We're going to break down this concrete, relocate the drains, backfill it with concrete, and then focus on our mixing valve, which will be relocated to this wall here. So a lot of rough plumbing today, a lot of work. Let's get to it. All right, slab demo and removal is done. Not as bad as we thought it was going to be. Took us about an hour and a half. $80 rental, Makita right here. Relocating again, toilet, flange and drain to here, and then of course your shower drain to center. We're going to have a full-size bench here, so that needs to relocate, and we will relocate the valve up and over to this wall. So lunchtime, hard part's over. Go return this, grab some lunch, come back, reroute our ABS, and then backfill everything with dirt and concrete. Here we go. I'm hungry. Let's eat.
A few moments later.
Okay. Copper is capped. Toilet has been relocated. Relocating the shower drain right now. Time to backfill. Install some concrete. And then cap this. Install some concrete as well. Double bucket method makes mixing up concrete self-leveler a whole lot easier. Venting for our fan heater combo. And there we have our vent fan duct to exterior. It's all waterproofed, ready to go. Combo, vent fan, heater. It is Friday and we are done for the day. As per usual, taking over the garage. It's nice to have your tools quick and accessible to speed up the process. Let's show you what we've done today and what we need to do on Monday. Okay, stub outs are installed, relocated. Fresh water for the vanity relocated. Fresh water for the toilet. The drain as well. The patch is still curing. Relocated up and over our mixing valve. Raise the shower head. We installed the vent fan as I just showed you. Venting to the exterior. We've installed 3 5-inch cans. 1, 2, 3. We will install an additional can here for the linen closet. This will be for towels. We're going to install shelving for storage. A lot of work done today. It is Friday. We're going to enjoy our weekend. Come back Monday and start this shower. Get our board up. Get the pan in. Tray curb. Frame out our 28-inch niche on this back exterior wall. Get ready for tile. Let's go. We'll see you Monday. Good morning, everybody. It is Monday. We are focusing on the shower for this week. For the next few days, we're going to get up our curdy board, frame out the niche, get our shower tray and pan in, remove this floor